Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to PayPal. Right, so this is very easy. So here if you basically the work with the cryptocurrency, so basically you can only transfer or send or receive in cryptocurrencies in PayPal is allowed, but it is allowed in selected accounts, right? So if you are in those countries where it's allowed, then definitely you can just go to activity, go to the crypto section, and you will be able to transfer. Now here I have mentioned all the details, so it will become very easy. Now here, once you logged in into your Binance, so first of all you have to go to the Binance app or website, then go to the market or trade section, select the pair you want to trade, select USDT to convert it into USD currency, right, fiat currency, right? Go to the wallet section, select the fiat and spot, and find the fiat currency you converted your USDT to. Now click on withdraw and follow the instruction to transfer the funds to your linked bank account. Now open the PayPal app or website and log in into your account. Once a fiat currency in your bank account, go to the PayPal and select add funds or link a bank account if you haven't already done so. Follow the instruction to transfer the funds from your bank account to your PayPal account. I hope this second method was much more better for you. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.